So we left from that tea shop, guys, and we just stopped here for a quick photo. And that's my nephew Adit. Say hi to the camera. And that stands our Beauty, the beast. So it's a peaceful place. Even if you come alone, you can just enjoy the nature, a pleasant ride. And I don't know if you can see, that's the river, I guess, which passes by. And there's a falls which falls from there. It's a little misty, so you can't see that, and camera doesn't do that much justice. Shall we go with it? Hop on. Come on. Yes, that's a good boy. Good boy. Now we're going downhill. And we still see these cows roaming around here. Pretty risky because we might, or someone might hit the cows, especially the downgoing vehicles. I've seen a couple of reels of mine in this particular spot. I love mountains because I grew up in the hills, the Nilgiri Hills in Kannur. I was born there. I did my schooling there till 12th, and that's when after that I moved to Bangalore and started to work and then complete my degree through correspondence. Stayed there for a good 18 plus years in Bangalore, and moved to Punjai Pulimbatti, my current hometown, 2 years back because I got a work from home and that's permanent. This road is so good, I just love it. Anyone watching this video has been to this small hill station, do comment and share your experience. monkeys are playing, the baby monkeys. Though the bike is 211 kgs, it is agile and supports you. Okay, this is where you need to be careful because the bus is going to take a big turn, and so does this truck, fully loaded truck. So this system here, you see I got a WhatsApp message and I got a pop-up saying I got a WhatsApp message from Paisabazaar, which is a marketing. So press right to listen, press left to cancel, and cancelled it. There's an army truck, and it's a six-wheeler. I kind of like these trucks because it's like go anywhere truck, made especially for army. Yeah, I was talking about this system here. It's like an Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. You connect your phone to RideSync app and it automatically collects here. It lets you know if there's a message. You can make and answer calls through this. You can do a okay, this is where you have to be careful. Yeah, you can search for contacts, search for music, and it's so convenient feature. Well, any new technology, you need to get used to it. Otherwise, you have that little bit of confusion, hesitation to get adjusted to a new technology like the Z-clutch. Only when I try it, you'll get to know. I think somebody's feeding these monkeys. It's a small stream of waterfalls, but I think there's no water there. So this route goes to Bangalore as well, and this is 20 kilometers shorter than the regular route which I take, which goes through Metu. And I've been through this route many years ago on my car. I haven't been through this route on a bike yet, but next time when I'm planning to go to Bangalore, I might take this route. So I'm planning to go visit Bangalore somewhere towards end of this month for a day and meet my friends, and then we ride together till Dharmapuri, and then we spend some time and I head back home and these guys go back to Bangalore. So that's the plan as of now. Not sure, these plans tend to change time and again. There's a perfect weather for a ride, and this is already November. The climate has become pleasant. It will be the same till February, so the winter is coming. I will plan for a longer ride, like a state to state ride, probably in January. Oops. So yeah, somewhere in Jan I'm planning, if not Jan Feb, I want to do a long ride or a drive, maybe to Ladakh. So I'm still confused to take whether my car this time to Ladakh or the Scrambler. So yes, plans might change, but that's one thing in my mind. I actually plan to go in my car to Ladakh during September. I also applied for leaves, but then all of a sudden, it was heavily raining in Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, and it was flooded. At the same time, I got to know that I'm getting the CBI delivered that month, so I cancelled my plan, and yeah, I just took 1 week of leave and to take the delivery and enjoy the bike ride. So that is something I would like to. Yeah, so this is where you need to be careful. You need to give way to the vehicles. And this is an amazing view. So there used to be a lot of trees here. I think they kind of chopped it because I don't see much trees towards the edge of the roads, and that's why you're able to see this particular view. Also, what happened is, I think a month back there was a heavy rain and road slides up in the mountain, slide down on a couple of apens, I think 2, 4, 8 and 10 if I'm not wrong, and the road blocked by huge boulders. So yeah, it was blocked for almost a day or two. So I think that could be a reason where the trees have fallen due to the landslide. About 12:40 I left home, 48 or something like that, and now it's about 2:48, which is about 2 hours now, and I might take another half an hour to reach home. So it's a good 2.5 hours ride to and fro, with 15 minutes we spend on top for tea and a couple of photos. You could spend more time, and that's a elephant dung. So elephant has gone through this route. There's another army truck. But this one is a four-wheeler. The one which we saw above was a six-wheeler. So there's a spot normally people park for a quick photo. So I don't know if you can see small waterfalls there. That's it guys, we have climbed down the hills, all the hairpin bends over, and we're going to enter the exit the forest in next 5 kilometers. And this road is filled with a lot of speed breakers to control your speed. Normally that's the case in all forest area. And yeah, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Do comment your thoughts. If you have ridden to hills, which is your favorite place, on what bike you've done the ride. Alright, thank you for watching. You guys have a good day. I'll post a video. I'll make a video tomorrow if I'm heading out to Ooty or any other place. Until then, see you. Bye bye. Ta-da.